Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, we will explore Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers to 0.1 million square miles across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. It is home to approximately 10% of the known species on Earth. This includes 2.5 million different insect species, thousands of plants, and around 2,000 species of birds and mammals. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, flows through the rainforest. It is approximately 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles long, and has over 1,100 tributaries. The Amazon is home to approximately 400 indigenous groups, many of whom have lived in the rainforest for thousands of years and have rich cultures and languages. The Amazon rainforest is facing severe threats from deforestation due to agriculture, logging, mining, and infrastructure development. An area the size of a football field is lost every minute. Let's begin exploring Amazon rainforest.
Okay, what a beautiful sound it is. Those are the birds in this beautiful place, huh? Let's try to drop in this area right here. It's a sunny day. And we are currently in a barge. Let's try a different place, more clear. Okay. So we're in the middle of the lake. Like the house is basically in the middle of the lake. But let's try to go to a different place again. Nice view though. Okay, let's drop here. Okay, here. There. There's nothing much to say in this picture here. Going to a different area. We have here a wide cemented area. Oh, so it's like a local airport, I guess. Because I can see an airplane there. Let's go to a different area again. Wow. What a majestic aerial view of Amazon. Full of green trees. So stunning. I like the combination of the green and the blue clouds there. Let's go to a different place again. Now I can see a very small community. Okay, so their houses are near the lake. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Another community right here. So you can see that their houses, oh, there are cemented houses there. And there's also Nipa hut. Yes. Going back to a different area. Another aerial view where you can see, okay, a brown lake. Well, I'm guessing it rained last night before they took this picture. Okay, going to a different area again. Oh, so they also have this gas station. Well, I could say that by looking at these places, their community is somehow starting to progress. Okay, that's commercial, Vivian. I don't know what that is for. But like, by simply looking at it, there's totally a community. And that means if there's people, then there's a possibility that a community would progress. Oh, I like this one. I like green. So this is very soothing in the eyes. Okay, let's drop to a different area again. Oh, okay. So there's a manufacturing area there. Let's drop to a different place. Okay. So it's a small community. I wasn't actually expecting that there is that much of people here. Wow, what a beautiful view. So I'm guessing we are on top of a big or a massive stone or a mountain, I'm guessing. Okay. Let's try this place. This should be the last one. And that's it for our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye!